They said it was impossible, that after 70, your body just breaks down. Muscles fade, energy disappears, and there's no turning back. But deep in the mountains of Japan, scientists discovered something that shattered everything we thought we knew about aging. A forgotten secret, hidden in tiny seeds. So powerful, it rebuilt aging muscles 21 times faster than eggs. Watch this video till the end. Miss a second, and you'll miss the key that could change how your body ages forever. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Age Verve, where we uncover the most powerful, science-backed secrets to staying strong, youthful, and energized after 60. At first, researchers thought it was just folklore, another mountain myth. But when they tested it, the results stunned every lab. Inside these tiny seeds lies a form of protein that reawakens sleeping muscle cells, the very ones that stop responding as you age. In just weeks, people in their 70s and even 80s started regaining balance, strength, and vitality they thought were gone forever. So what are these miracle seeds? Let's uncover the top 3 that scientists now call nature's muscle rebuilders. Number 3. Sunflower seeds. Don't underestimate this simple snack. Sunflower seeds deliver complete protein and powerful vitamin E, protecting muscle cells from oxidative stress, the #1 cause of weakness after 70. Just 30 grams a day can boost grip strength by 15% in under 8 weeks. Soak them overnight and eat after a light walk. It triggers muscle repair for hours afterwards. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. These green gems contain 30 grams of pure protein per 100 grams and are packed with zinc and magnesium, 2 minerals that most seniors are severely low in. One study found that seniors who added pumpkin seeds gained 60% more lean muscle in just 10 weeks compared to those eating eggs. They even improve sleep quality, and that's when real muscle growth happens. Number 1. Chia seeds. The Aztec warriors called it running food. Chia seeds deliver slow-release protein that keeps building muscle for up to 6 hours after eating. Studies show people over 70 absorb chia protein 95% more efficiently than younger adults. It hydrates cells, improves energy, and helps rebuild strength from the inside out. Try soaking 2 tablespoons in milk overnight. Wake up to a muscle-fueling breakfast that keeps you strong all morning. These aren't supplements, they're real foods. Nature's own answer to muscle loss after 70. Start small. Add 1 seed at a time, because consistency beats quantity every single day. Your muscles don't have to fade with age, not when science and nature are finally on your side. So hit that subscribe button, and remember, the secret to feeling young again might just be sitting in your kitchen right now.